How to use Sky Connect to service? You must log in to sky.co. Enter your username, password, click login. Go to enum and click info. Allow. Click connect to icon. Enter your source number. Enter your destination number. Click call button to make a call and click hang up button to end the call.